moment that we're about to head into with the biggest wealth transfer. There are going to be more people that become stone cold wealthy because of being in the right place, right time, right industry, right company, right team, with the biggest, baddest licensing platform called ELGU in the next 10 years. 80 trillion. Can I put that into perspective? Do you know what 1 trillion?
Let's go have some fun.
Hi. I just finished working out. Very tired. Really quick workout because I have to go to a launch party for an apparel. My friend Dylan owns Resilient. Yeah, so I have to be there at 2:30. It is currently 2:25. So yeah, I gotta make a quick stop at home. I just finished hitting the gym. I feel good. It's a good day. Also, I forgot, how's it going, my kings and queens? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Take care. Let's go to this launch party. It's apparently like 45 minutes away, so it's a bit of a drive. So yeah, let's go, shall we? I was listening to a David So podcast. David So, if you ever see this in the future, I'm your biggest fan. I love you. Yes. What's up, Bribber? Oh shit! Even the sun sets in paradise. I wanna be yeah. After did exist, always hope if you like it.
Wow. Keep that same energy. Crazy. And I watched a 21-year-old Los Angeles rapper whose gang affiliate gets shot up, and he's like, help me.
I know, fuck this bitch. This is it. I'm just here for the dog.
I want to see him go in the water.
What's up? Bro, how's it going? Come here, bro.
I'm sweaty.
It's okay. Alright, I follow you guys because I don't know anyone else here. Alright. So we're here at Dylan's party. We're repping Resilient. Yeah, it's a pretty cool lunch. Apparently there's gonna be more people coming over later, but right now we're just having fun, just vibing. Yeah, it's a good time. Unfortunately, I can't drink because I'm driving, so you know, be responsible. So yeah, it's honestly a really fun time here. It's cool. I can't wait to do a backflip into the pool, but yeah, I can't wait. It's pretty lit here. So yeah.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on them, couple plaques, ayy, that's a bet, ayy, throw it back, ayy, throw it back, ayy, and this one is for the jam. We don't lose, man. I ain't lost since I began, yeah. Funny how you said it was a yeah. You know we did it again, yeah. I told you long ago.
Which one?
my bullshit. I do my own shit. Fuck all them niggas I used to run with. I know you used to see me with niggas, but that's that old shit. Real nigga, quick to pull a fucking trigger. Fat niggas, definition of a real nigga. Fuck nigga, quick to fucking hate nigga. Bitch nigga, definition of a bitch nigga. Now wildin', ready for all the violence. I don't need a nigga jacking that he riding. I got this 450, this shit all up on my hip. I blow that shit, now you ain't Bobby Schmurder the hat with. Bitch, we in the city on that hot shit. Looking for a biddy on that thot shit. Y'all ain't getting money, nigga, stop this. I be round the globe talking high shit. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. Kick around, I'm getting money now, acting funny now. Thought she love me, but she only tryna fuck me for the clout. Saw the paddock gon' bust down, tryna run down. Bitch hit me on a touchdown, but I curved it. They be begging me to keep the bitch, but I don't need the bitch. Ray Charles, John Cena shit, I can see the bitch. In the DM sending naked pics over that bitch. But I send her in the pool, even though I'm rich as shit. It's fucking.
Oh shit! Let's go! So excited.
I've literally rode fucking real ones before.
Wait, real bull?
Yeah.
What
I
the
was about
fuck,
this
dog?
fucking drunk when I did it too. So it's white people shit, you know?
Oh shit! Oh,
I'm just going to the pool for like a little bit, you know?
I'm down for a little bit.
Is that for a couple shots of alcohol?
Listen, if I hit my head on here, tell my family I love them. Not my brother though, he's a bitch. Ready?
Oh, okay. That was good. Wow. Okay. What are your thoughts?
Bro, that was like so much cardio. I'm out of breath.
You did good though. You did good.
What the fuck?
That was not on your knees, bro.
Bro, that shit fucked me. Look at this shit, bro. Oh, fuck, dude. Hi, I'm back. It is currently 9:15 p.m. I promised my mom I'd meet her and my brothers in the theaters. So, because we have a movie at 10:25, it's gonna be around like a 40-minute drive there. So yeah, Dylan, if you see this, congrats on Resilient again, baby. And thank you for inviting me for the party. That was fun. That was lit. I had an earring. I lost it in the pool somewhere, I think. But yeah, that was fun. I met all kinds of people, really cool people. And now I gotta head home, drive safe. I'm probably not gonna film much on the way home because I want to focus on driving.
So guys.
No, show them what we're gonna watch, because.
Guys.
Go.
Today.
I got no friends. I got family.
Yeah, what you got? What did everyone think of the movie? Yeah, you liked it? It was cool. It's all about family. Mama, how did the movie go, Mama?
Yeah, I like it.
Even though you were like even though you were like falling asleep.
Yes.
It was good.
Thrilling.
I didn't know John Cena was in the movie.
How There's already another.
I didn't see the trailer. Duke, look.